Hey, what's up? Do you have a phone? Do you have a computer? Do you have a tablet or any device that you can connect to the internet? Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 websites to make money online in 2020. Yes, you've landed on the video and you're watching it right now, and I'm going to share that with you because some of you probably searching online and you went all over the place. You went on Google and now you're here on YouTube and you found this video. Now, this video is going to explain to you the 5 websites that you can make money online in 2020. So make sure you watch this all the way until the end. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Andre. I'll talk about how to make money online and just try to find ways how I can help you, right? For either whether you're going to do this part-time, you want to do this full-time, or you want to do this as a side hustle to pay a little bit of bills. All right. So keep watching the video. Don't try to skip ahead. Don't try to miss out on anything. And if this is your first time, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments if this is your first time here on my video. And feel free to share this because there's plenty of people out there right now that is currently searching and they're trying to find a better way. So if they can land on a video like this will mean a lot to them. So share it. Share this on your Facebook page or on your Twitter or anywhere that is comfortable where you can have some friends that want to see what we have going on here. So yes, 5 websites to make money online, and we're going to jump into the video right now. Let's do this. So now the first website that you can make money online in 2020, you can go to this website that is called Bluehost. So bluehost.com. And what is Bluehost? Bluehost is a service provider and they help you set up website hosting. So you can start off by creating a blog. So you go under Google, you go onto Bing, you go on Yahoo, and you're searching, and you type in a specific keyword. The first thing you're going to see is you're going to see an ad pop up, and then, of course, is a website. So you can go onto the website and go right here, and you can create a blog. So start your blog right away. You don't have to be professional at writing. You can look at other blogs for inspiration, and I'm going to share with you one more website that you can go and you can start right away. So if you go to this website that is called medium.com, so medium.com, you can create an account. This website is absolutely free and you can just write stuff on here. Now I've done a few things on Medium and it picks up a little bit quicker. I've gotten sales from here. I got people sign up for my businesses through this, and I haven't even created a lot of blogs on here. So if you check out my, let me see, let me go to the actual stories, and then I go on publish, right? I've only I've only published 4, and that was in 2019, right? So I've published 4, I've made these 4, and I've gotten leads and sales from these actual 4 blogs. Now, can you imagine if I had put in the work and put in the time? I only made like 4 in 1 month. And if you check out my stats right here, because I like to show, I like to show people what I'm doing. If you look at the stats, right? It's a new month. In the last 30 days, these are people that are viewing my stuff. Like this one, there's over 212 people, and how many reads, right? And I have fans, like people clicking on it. So this is 52%, this is 50%, this is 55, this is 82. So these are ratios, read ratios. So that means out of 9 people that land on my blog, 82% out of them read it. So that means 7 people read the entire thing out of 100 something, only 50, half of this. So I'm not a blogger. I just look at other people's blog. I don't copy and paste, right? You got to be unique. And I see the style that they're writing. So I look at the style and I said, maybe I should try this. So I went on medium.com. It is absolutely free. And you could just start writing. People are just going to write. Not write. Yes, start writing, but people will read your stuff and just put it out there. So if you can do one a day, in a year from today, I can guarantee you right now that you're going to be crushing it. So you can put put affiliate links and all that in there and people will sign up. It's not going to happen right away. It's not instant gratification, But I tell you, right after this video, if you come on here, you sign up for this, you start doing it one every single day, I can assure you, you're gonna be crushing it, right? So start a blog right away. That's the drive. Start a blog, and you can start making money immediately. So the next website that I'm talking about is Udemy. Udemy, you can make money online in 2020. And what is Udemy? It is a website that you can take your information and your skill set that you have over a certain period of time. Maybe you've been going to, you've done nursing for a long time. Maybe you are a student in math. Maybe you're very good in English. Maybe you know tips and tricks about dog walking. Maybe you know tricks about a specific, let's say you know how to, do Facebook ads or YouTube ads, or you have a skill. And most of you probably sit down and say, well, I really don't know what to do. You can write about anything. You can write about your entire life, how you survived through high school, how you survived through college. Maybe you went through a divorce and you and the partner are good between each other's kids, and stuff like that. So you can basically take your mess and turn it into a message. Like, don't think that you don't have a story. Every single one of us have a story. We all do. Maybe you're at a place right now, you're struggling right now, and you find a breakthrough. That is your story. Your current situation right now is not where you're meant to be. So just create courses on this, and you can come on here and see what are some of the things. Like, people are creating this Microsoft Excel, like complete Python, developing web developer 2020 bootcamp. Like, you can build a course, and once you build that course, and look at the categories: development, business, finances, IT, office design, you do have something. So create a course, put it on here, and let people buy it. This is how you're going to make passive income over and over again, just because you put your course up. All right. So that's one way how to do it. The next way that I'm going to share with you is create a YouTube channel. Yes, I'll have one. You're watching it right now. You go ahead and you build your own YouTube channel. Now, you don't have to be professional at first, just like when I just started. Everybody starts from zero. Right now, currently shooting this video, I have over 5,000 subscribers. Now, I had one. Well, no, I had zero, and then I had one, and then I had two, then I have 10, then 100, and my first 1,000, 2,000. Now I have 5,000 making this video, and it's keep going up and up. So create your own video. Create your own video. Once you create your video, what's going to happen is you can monetize your channel. So you'll have ads on your channel, and when people watch the ads, just like you, who you've been watching some of my ads, I appreciate you guys for really watching my videos and liking and commenting and sharing. But watching the ads is the most important thing, because if people watch the ads, that's how you get paid. People think that, oh yeah, well, you're gonna get paid on views. You do, but it's more of like the ads, because the people pay for the ads to be on your YouTube channel. So you probably think of, well, I don't know what to talk about. Yes, you do, right? So find 10 channels that you want your channel to be like, and just follow them and do reverse engineer. What if you want to make a blog? What if you want to make a blog in your area? What if you want to go shoot parties? What if you want to talk about dogs? What do you want to talk about cats? What if you want to talk about Legos, vegetables, cooking show, makeup artists, whatever it is? People out there are going to want to find your videos, and they're going to like your video, and they're going to stick around. So create a YouTube channel, and then you can start getting paid. Pretty simple. Now, the next website that I want to share with you is Shopify. Yeah, Shopify is still hot. Some of you probably say, well, I don't know how to do this Shopify thing. I can't get any leads. I can't get sales. I don't know how to do advertising. And that's okay. You don't need to be good at everything, but you can find the products, and I highly recommend you find products that are in the US. So if you're going to drop ship in your country, try to find a product that does drop shipping, and you do that. So let's say if you want to drop ship in India, find a good source in India where you can drop ship. If you're going to do it in Germany or in Switzerland, or wherever, if you're going to do drop shipping here in the US, try to find a merchant or a supplier that is willing to do drop shipping, because you all know what's going on right now, right? It's so many things happening. People having illnesses going around. People are not getting their products from overseas to the next country, so you don't want to take that risk. So I recommend the best way to drop ship is in your country, because it goes so fast, the shipping is quick, and once the shipping is quick, then that's how you're going to get a faster turnover. Because if you start paying money on ads, and let's say, people ain't getting their products, and then they start a refund, and then you don't have enough money to run your ads, and it's going to be a whole gong show. I'm just being honest. I just want to tell you how it is. So make sure when you drop ship, you do the drop shipping in your country. So in your country, you can drop ship. Let's say if you're going to drop ship in the US and you're from another country, you can do that too. But find a supplier that is in that specific country that you're going to drop ship. Hope that made sense. Now, the last thing I want to share with you is affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing, you're going to make money. You're still going to make money in 2020 and beyond. Affiliate marketing will not die, because this is something that has been going on for a very, very long time, and it's not going to go away. Believe it or not, it's not. All right. Some of you probably, well, there's too much competition. No, they ain't, because there's so many people out there. If you think there is so much competition, why do you think they have schools and there's kids going to school every September, and there's kids leaving school every May or June? Right? Don't you think the schools will be saturated? It's not saturating, my friend, because remember, time and things changes. People are going to be in a period of their life when they're going to want to buy something, right? Maybe it's a health and wellness product they want to buy. Maybe it's a cooking book. Maybe they want to learn how to make money online. Maybe they want to do education. They're looking for employment. They want to buy a home and gardening. So that's the best way, right? That is my thing. I love affiliate marketing because it's so wonderful. The place that I learned affiliate marketing, you check out the first link in the description. High integrity company, and they teach everything from A to Z, how to get it done the right and proper way. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, check out the first link in the description. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So remember, like, share, comment, let me know what you think. So this was the 5 ways how to make money online in 2020. Yeah, 5 websites. So catch you on the next one. See you on the next video. We'll talk soon. Peace.